Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English.
That's right. This is episode 14, and we are so happy you're here with us. My name is Sarah.
And I'm Alex. Today, we have a very special topic. We're going to talk all about feelings and emotions.
Ooh, that's a big topic, Alex.
It is, but it's also a really important one. We all have feelings every single day.
Exactly. And learning the words for these feelings helps us understand ourselves and other people better.
So, are you ready to get started?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Okay, so let's start with a really nice feeling. What about happy?
Happy. I love feeling happy. It's that warm, sunny feeling inside.
What are some things that make you feel happy, Sarah?
Oh, lots of things. Like when I eat a big scoop of strawberry ice cream or when I play with my puppy in the park. That makes me really happy.
Playing with a puppy. That's a great example. You smile a lot when you're happy.
Yeah, you do. What about you, Alex? What makes you happy?
Getting a new book to read makes me very happy. I love stories. Or when a friend shares their toys with me.
Oh, that's so nice. So, feeling happy is a good feeling, but sometimes we feel the opposite of happy. We feel sad.
Right. Sad is when you feel down and you might even cry.
It is. You might feel sad if you lose your favorite toy.
Yeah, or if you fall down and hurt your knee.
That definitely makes me sad. Or if a friend is moving away to a different city, that's a big reason to feel sad.
It is, and it's important to remember that it's okay to feel sad sometimes. Everyone feels sad.
That's a really good point. You can't be happy all the time. Feeling sad is just another part of life.
Exactly.
Okay, let's talk about a different feeling. This one can feel a little hot and prickly. It's the feeling of being angry.
Ah, angry. I know that feeling. Like when my little brother scribbles on my drawing.
Oh no, I would feel angry about that too.
Right? Being angry is what you feel when something happens that you think is unfair or just not right.
That's a good way to put it. Sometimes when you're angry, your face might feel hot and you might want to shout.
It's important to learn how to handle being angry without shouting or hurting anyone. Maybe by taking a deep breath or talking to a grown-up about it.
Totally. Taking a deep breath is a great idea. Now, what about a feeling that can make your heart beat really fast, like when you hear a loud thunderstorm outside?
You mean feeling scared?
Exactly. Scared or afraid, they mean the same thing.
I used to be scared of the dark when I was little.
Me too. I had to have a little nightlight on.
See, lots of things can make us feel scared. A big dog barking or watching a scary part in a movie.
It's our body's way of telling us to be careful, but just like feeling sad, it's okay to be scared.
And it helps to hold someone's hand or get a big hug when you feel scared.
A big hug always helps.
Okay, let's move on to a really fun feeling. What about the feeling you get when something happens that you did not expect at all?
Ooh, you mean surprised?
Yes, surprised, like for a surprise birthday party.
I love surprise parties. That's a good surprise. You open the door and all your friends shout, "Surprise!" and you feel so happy and shocked at the same time.
Exactly. Or when you get a present that you really, really wanted but didn't think you would get.
That's the best kind of surprise. But are there bad surprises?
I guess so. Like a balloon pops right next to your ear. That's a surprise, but it also makes you feel scared for a second.
That's true. A loud, sudden noise. So surprises can be good or a little bit scary.
Right. Now, what about a feeling that's similar to happy but with a lot more energy? Like the night before your birthday or a big holiday.
Oh, I know this one. You feel excited.
You got it. Excited is when you're so happy and can't wait for something to happen.
Yes, like when you're packing your suitcase to go on a vacation. You feel all bubbly inside.
Bubbly. I like that word. That's a perfect way to describe feeling excited. Your tummy feels like it's full of fizzy bubbles.
What are you excited about right now, Alex?
I'm excited for the weekends because my cousin is coming to visit and we're going to build a giant fort with blankets and pillows.
Wow, that sounds so fun. I'm excited for you. We've talked about a lot of big feelings. What about some everyday feelings? For example, how do you feel at the end of a long day after you've been running and playing outside?
Oh, easy. I feel tired.
Right. Tired is when your body needs to rest. You might yawn a lot.
A big yawn, yes. Feeling tired means it's probably time for bed. Your eyes feel heavy and all you want to do is sleep.
Exactly. It's your body saying, okay, time for a break.
What about this one, Sarah? How do you feel when you go to a new place and you don't know anyone? You might feel very quiet and not want to talk much.
Ah, that sounds like feeling shy.
Shy. When you feel shy, you might look down at your shoes or hide behind your mom or dad.
That's a good description. It's a feeling of being a little nervous around new people. And that's okay. It takes a little time to warm up.
It does. Soon you might make a new friend and then you don't feel shy anymore.
Let's do one more. This is a really, really good feeling. It's what you feel when you've done something great, like you finished a really hard puzzle or you learned to ride your bike.
Oh, I know. You feel proud.
Yes, proud. It's that amazing feeling when you know you did a good job. Your parents might say, "I'm so proud of you."
Yeah, and you feel proud of yourself too. You stand up a little taller.
It's the best. I felt proud last week when I finally finished a drawing I had been working on for a long time.
I bet it was an amazing drawing. Feeling proud is a wonderful reward for working hard.
What about a feeling that's a bit like angry, but more stuck? Like when you're trying to build a tower with blocks and it keeps falling down. You're not exactly angry, but you feel, ugh.
Oh, you mean feeling frustrated.
Exactly, frustrated. It's when you keep trying to do something, but it just won't work. It makes you want to give up.
Wow, we have talked about so many feelings today.
We really have. Let's do a quick recap. We talked about feeling happy,
And sad,
angry,
and scared,
surprised,
and excited.
and we also talked about feeling tired, shy, and
Proud. What a list.
it is. And the most important thing to remember is that all of these feelings are normal. Everyone has them.
That's right. And talking about your feelings with someone you trust, like a parent, a teacher, or a friend, is a great way to understand them better.
It really is. Well, that's all the time we have for today's episode of Everyday English.
Thank you all so much for listening. We hope you learned some new words to talk about your own feelings.
Join us next time for another fun episode. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.